Good morning to everyone. In this video, I explain briefly how plastic pollute the environment. This is an awareness video to avoid plastic. So I took a resolution to avoid using plastic. I confer you to take part in this resolution. Instead of using plastic, we can use many alternatives like instead of using this plastic tray, we can use this ceramic plate. Instead of using this plastic bag, we can use this cloth bag. Instead of using this plastic bottle, we can use metal bottle. Instead of using this plastic clip, we can use metal clip. Come, let us make this world green together. Thank you.
Hi, this is Orlana Blislin Mahiba from 8D. Today I am going to take a pledge on avoiding plastic. I will refuse plastic straws, plastic bags and plastic bottles as much as possible. I will try to reduce the use of plastic bags by carrying a cloth bag. I will try to follow this in my life as much as possible to make the world a clean place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am M. Jayashree of 8th. Today I am going to present an activity based on plastics. The waste plastic articles keeps on accumulating in the surrounding and pollute the environment. When the plastic is burning, some harmful gas like carbon dioxide will be coming out. So the surrounding will be affected. What is the reason to avoid plastics? It will pollute our land and water because they are so lightweight. Plastic bags can travel long distance by wind and water. So it will pollute many rivers. So we need to avoid plastics. We can see that in many areas animals will eat garbage from the garbage dump. So it will be suffer and often die as a result of it. Swallowed plastic fills the stomach and not surprisingly this reduces the feeling of hunger. Animals eat less, obtain less energy and weaken. Even water animals eat plastics. So now biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable that can be taken back into the earth naturally and so not harm the environment. Non-biodegradable, not capable of being broken down by the action of living organisms. So hereafter I am going to put the garbage separately. Hereafter I am going to avoid this polythene bags. I am going to use cotton bags or jute bags. I am going to use metal bottles. I am going to avoid plastic boxes. I am going to use silver boxes. I am going to avoid plastic pens. I am going to use ink pens, that means metal pens. Thank you by M. Jayashree 8th D Science Activity Plastics and Environment.